Hi friends, so today I wanted to share a tip with you about our Thieves dish soap. So Young Living's products are always very highly concentrated, and a lot of people are like, why are their products so concentrated compared to maybe products I might buy in the store? And I don't know, but I do know that they don't send you water. Like, for the most part, they're gonna send you concentrated stuff that's heavy duty, that's full of great stuff that's not really watered down. So that's awesome. But I know you may have seen things like how to take one bottle and make it into 3, but you might be looking at it and be like, well, how do I do that? I don't have extra bottles, what do I do? So I've got a little tip for you. So what I did is I went to Walmart and grabbed just a little soap dispenser. And so I am going to put some of my dish soap into this, about 1/3 of this, because this will make 3. So I'm gonna squeeze, I don't know if you can see, I'm just gonna squeeze about 1/3 of my dish soap into this guy. And there's no like real right and wrong measurements because you know, it's just not that finicky. Like, it just works, it's good. So I think that's about 1/3 of my bottle. And it's pretty much like 1/4 of this guy. And then I'm just going to add water. And what I did is just got water out of my refrigerator because we have a filter in my refrigerator that it filters our water, and that's usually the water that I use in my diffuser. It's just water that I use. You could go and buy distilled water or whatever if you like, or tap water is probably just fine. The little bit of filtered is just gonna make it a little bit more pure. But I'm just gonna shake this up just to incorporate it a little bit. And then I'm gonna put this by my sink, and then when I make when I fill my sink up with water, or when I'm washing a pot or pan, I will just squirt some on and clean it. So it's that simple. So that's how you take 1 and turn it into 3. So I'm gonna put the rest of this bottle just under my sink and just refill this guy when he gets empty. Hope that was helpful for you guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.